The Brave Fox Siblings and the Forest Crisis. In a deep forest, on a small hill, lived 3 fox siblings. Lucas, the eldest, Lina, the second, and Ruby, the youngest, were all very different in personality and interests. But they always cared for and helped one another. Lucas was cautious and methodical, always planning carefully before taking action. Lina was quick, clever, and resourceful, always coming up with solutions in tricky situations. Ruby, the youngest, was playful and full of energy, but also the bravest and kindest of them all. The peaceful forest and an approaching threat. The forest was always peaceful. In the mornings, the Fox siblings would spend time doing their favorite activities, and in the evenings, they gathered to share stories and laughter. But one day, that peace was threatened. Rumors spread that a dangerous pack of wolves had appeared in the forest. The wolves were destroying animals' homes, stealing food, and creating chaos. "Do you think the wolves will come here too?" Lina asked with worry. "They might. If we don't prepare, it could be dangerous," Lucas replied. "Don't worry. If we work together, we can beat them," Ruby said confidently. The siblings decided to prepare for the wolves together. Preparing for the challenge. The next morning, Lucas spoke up. "To defend ourselves against the wolves, we'll need a strong house. I'll go and find the sturdiest wood in the forest." Lina quickly added, "I'll scout the forest to figure out where the wolves are coming from and think of ways to block their path." The youngest, Ruby, raised her paw enthusiastically. "I'll set up traps around our house. That way, the wolves won't be able to get close." The 3 siblings each got to work, determined to prepare in their own ways. Lucas builds a strong house. Lucas ventured deep into the forest, searching for the strongest wood he could find. He carefully cut the trees and used branches and vines to construct a sturdy house. The walls were thick and solid, strong enough to withstand even the fiercest storm. "This house will never fall, even if the wolves attack," Lucas said confidently. Still, he couldn't help but worry about how his siblings were doing, often pausing to listen to the sounds of the forest. Lina's clever plan. Lina darted quickly through the forest, studying the paths the wolves were likely to take. "This path is wide and easy for the wolves to travel. I need to block it," Lina murmured to herself. She used large rocks and thorny bushes to create barriers along the wolves' routes. Then, she came up with another idea. "Just blocking the paths isn't enough. I'll make some signal devices to warn us when the wolves are near." Using sticks and leaves, Lina created simple devices that would make noise if disturbed, helping her keep track of the wolves' movements. Ruby sets traps. Meanwhile, Ruby worked tirelessly around the house, setting up traps to stop the wolves. She dug pits and covered them with branches and leaves to hide them. "If the wolves fall into these traps, they won't be able to bother us," Ruby said, sweating as she worked. She realized that one trap wouldn't be enough, so she built more, carefully spreading them out around the house. Sometimes, the task felt overwhelming, but Ruby thought of her siblings and found the courage to keep going. "With us working together, we can do anything." The wolves attack. A few days later, the forest suddenly grew noisy as the pack of wolves approached. "If you want to live here, hand over your food," the leader of the wolves snarled. The wolves began moving toward the fox siblings' house. But the siblings weren't afraid. They stuck to their plan and prepared to defend their home. "Let's show them what we've got," Lucas shouted. The siblings worked together. As the wolves drew closer, Lucas threw branches and logs around the house to block their way. Lina quickly ran to the forest, using her barriers to confuse the wolves and disrupt their paths. "This path is blocked. Let's go another way," the wolves growled, growing frustrated. Ruby lured the wolves toward her traps. One by one, the wolves fell into the pits and became stuck. "What's going on? We can't get out," the wolves cried. Peace returns to the forest. The wolf pack realized they couldn't outsmart the clever and united siblings. Defeated, they decided to leave the forest. "We'll never come back to this forest again," the wolf leader shouted as they retreated. The siblings looked at each other and smiled. "We could only win because we worked together," Lina said. "That's right. Let's always stick together and solve problems as a team," Ruby replied. The lesson of the siblings. From that day on, the siblings learned to value each other's differences and the power of teamwork. We may have different strengths, but together, we're unstoppable. Their story spread throughout the forest, inspiring other animals, and the forest returned to its peaceful and warm state once more.